Welcome to Origo Eco, where sustainability meets innovation. Come, take a look at our facility located in Penang. Join us on a journey through our eco-conscious production process, ensuring every step is taken with care for the environment. Each RiceStraws is carefully selected for its quality and sustainability. We conduct a meticulous quality check to ensure the best for our clients. From there, we move to custom packaging, tailored to showcase the uniqueness of each brand we partner with. Our goal is to provide eco-friendly alternatives without compromising on style or functionality. Now, let us show you our Origo Eco palette, produced from agriculture waste and byproduct. It's a 100% wood-free alternative, exempted from ISPM 15 regulations, urea formaldehyde-free, and compostable. What sets Origo Eco's palette apart is our blockchain traceability, ensuring transparency and accountability from cradle to grave. With our blockchain traceability, you can download the summary and compile with your ESG report, enhancing your ESG compliance. As a trusted brand, we've partnered with numerous companies to provide eco-friendly alternatives. Our presence expands beyond our Malaysia seas to other countries too. Our efforts have earned us prestigious awards and certifications, including the coveted Halal certificate, showcasing our commitment to quality and inclusivity. To learn more about us, reach out to us at hello@origoeco.com or visit our website origoeco.com. We are always enthusiastic to chat about sustainability with anyone. Origo Eco, leading the way in sustainable solutions for a better tomorrow.